Alright, so that last video I was talking about for the hood ajar switch, this is the wiring for it. This one here plugs right into the actual switch itself. You can see right where it goes, connects to there. Then you got, run this wire through, then you got this other end connector here. That's just part of the wiring for the fog lights and whatever else you have, front park sensors and whatnot on it. So like I said, if your hood to jar switch shows it's open, check to see if this connector is connected to your hood latch, and check to see if the other end of the connector is actually plugged in where it should be, because if it's not plugged in on either end, you will get that warning hood ajar switch open on there. So that's just a little quick video on what this little wiring looks like on it. Thanks for watching.